Hi, my name is Samuel James Price, and I'm the Crypto Lifer. Every day I do a show called the Crypto Lifer Show, Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m., and Saturday and Sunday nights at 8 p.m. And we give you a 3 to 5 minute piece of the news so you can see what's happening, like FedNow and what's going on with that, and all sorts of other interesting topics. So we're going to jump in today, and we're going to start today with the Federal Reserve and FedNow, announcing organizations that are certified and ready for the FedNow service so we can see who's already behind the scenes working. All right, on June 29th, the Federal Reserve announced that 57 early adopter organizations, including financial institutions and service providers, have completed formal testing and certification on the FedNow service in advance of its launch in late July. And these are all the people that are in, like Bank of New York Mellon, right? Buffalo Federal Bank, JP Morgan Chase, of course, right? Millennium Corporate Credit Union, and it may be someone that you know, U.S. Century Bank, Wells Fargo, and more, and then even payment providers, Open Payment Network, and other people that you may have seen. FedNow, right? And what is FedNow? So Federal Reserve announces its new system for instant payments. The FedNow service is now live. On Thursday, announced its new system for instant payments. The FedNow service is now live. Banks and credit unions of all sizes can sign up and use this tool to instantly transfer money for their customers any time of the day on any day of the year. The Federal Reserve built the FedNow service to help make everyday payments over the coming years faster and more convenient, said Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. Over time, as more banks choose to use this new tool, the benefits to individuals and businesses will include enabling a person to immediately receive a paycheck or a company to instantly access funds when an invoice is paid. The Federal Reserve on Thursday announced its new system for instant payments. The FedNow service is live now. So you're a company, you sign up to FedNow, and like you're able to pay the people that work for you. Like they want employees to be. I mean, this is the beginning of that movie 12 Monkeys where Bruce Willis is living inside a little pod. This is crazy. This is how it starts. They roll it in slow, and they want you to be your friend. Oh, we're your friend FedNow. But that's what's happening. This is today. This is real life. We heard about it for years. Like this dystopian reality of 1984 is really coming true today. Amazing. Binance Labs invests $10 million in DeFi lender Radiant, and it jumps 10%. I mean, why not? The protocol is built on architecture of Layer 0, which raised $120 million at a $3 billion valuation last year. Venture capital arm of Binance has invested $10 million in Radiant Capital, a decentralized finance. People have been trading it, asking me about it. It's having a little bit of a wave. You hear about it more, right? Radiant. I hear about it. You hear about it. We're all been hearing about it. Radiant. It's built on architecture from Layer 0 Labs, another Binance Labs portfolio company. The lending platform aims to take on DeFi's fragmented liquidity problem by serving as a money market where users can deposit and borrow assets across multiple chains. Traders known as dynamic liquidity providers, DLPs, baby, can lock in that native RDNT token to profit from interest and flash loan fees and have governance authority with a Radiant DAO. That's amazing. The protocol's platform fees are paid out in Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and stable coins. Radiant, which currently has about $265 million in total value locked, according to DeFi Llama data. The platform supports more than 200 collateral options and plans to add new options in the future as Radiant DAO expands the functionality to additional chains. You can see where Binance is putting their money. They're continuing to invest into DeFi. And Radiant is a coin that we have traded on and off, something we may be looking at in the next few weeks. Could get some more liquidity from this. Good to know. Good to know. Bitcoin spot ETFs could bring $30 billion in new demand. Crypto trader NY Dig says a lot can be learned from the listing of the first gold ETF. But looking to the past also comes with some caveats. All right. The spot ETF fever has gripped the crypto market in recent weeks. That's what I've been talking about today. There's FOMO behind the scenes right now for these Bitcoin ETFs. I know you're seeing the price right now up and down, and you're at 29.8, 29, 30,000, and have no fear. In my humble opinion, the bottom is in at 15.8. Companies feel good. Technical analysis are kind of in there. If we go lower than that, there's some huge black swan event that's going crazy, and I think like you're going to be hugging your wife and kids and not your Bitcoin Satoshis, but you never know. I'm open-minded. I do keep them in case, but you never know. Spot ETF fever has gripped the crypto market in recent weeks thanks to filings by BlackRock and Fidelity. The brand recognition of BlackRock and iShares franchise, familiarity with the purchase of sales methods through security brokers, and simplicity of position reporting, risk management, and tax reporting. A spot ETF could bring some noted benefits compared to existing alternatives. I mean, I believe it can too as well. Big money coming in to crypto if these ETFs come in, right? Even if small amounts, like just 5%, If they put 5% of their funds into oh my God, the money would be out of control. UK Finance Ministry firmly disagrees with calls to regulate crypto as gambling. The UK government has dismissed the idea of regulating the cryptocurrency sector like gambling. This is good to know. The UK Financial Service Minister Andrew Griffith told Parliament Treasury Committee on Thursday that the Finance Ministry firmly disagrees with its recent recommendations to regulate retail trading and investment activity in crypto assets as gambling. Reuters first reported the ministry wants to oversee the crypto industry in the same manner as other financial services, rather than positioning the country at odds with global regulators. Regulating crypto like gambling would not address risk factors, such as demonstrated by the collapse of the crypto exchange of FTX, Griffin added. So it's good and bad. And Kraken's crypto facilities appoints a hedge fund veteran as the CEO. It's a pretty big deal. And Bitmain launches Filecoin mining machines with a $40,000 price tag. Filecoin, make it a little bit of a jump. Seems like there's desire to mine it. And that's your news for the day. Hope that gets you excited and ready to go. It got me pretty excited. So, hey, if it got me excited, and I'll watch the news every single day. We live every single day, Monday through Friday, Saturday, and Sunday nights.